Our determination to create a world of progress and improve lives began in 1875 with Hisashige Tanaka, known as the genius of mechanical wonders, and Ishisuke Fujiwaka, known as the father of electricity in Japan. They both have their own business, but later on, they both have brought the talent and intelligence to collaborate together and establish a new business called Toshiba. Today, more than 140 years later, we continue to draw inspiration from their example. This has proven that we are a world leader. In the air conditioning business, we rank high on the list to provide cooling and heating solutions to our customers. Toshiba has a strong business coverage in Europe, America, Japan, Asia, Middle East and Africa, and over 50 countries worldwide. With our reliable product base in Japanese research and innovation, this is capable to provide cool environments in hot climates or provide warm environments in freezing temperatures for any type of space, from small to large buildings. Not just effective in controlling temperature, but with our commitment to contribute to customers' lives, making them safer and more comfortable. We provide features that benefit your lifestyle: PCB enclosure, PM 2.5 filtration, double cleaning systems anti-corrosive, magic coil, self-cleaning system, Toshiba home air conditioner control. These enhance reliability and safety. At Toshiba, we won't stop making a wide range of top quality products and services utilizing the best innovation technology.